Hello all and welcome to our Crochet Designs. My name is Mary and today's video, get excited, is all about our 20,000 subscriber surprise. Get excited guys, this is the day we've been waiting for weeks, months. We've had people hopping on our lives. Oh, by the way, we have lives at 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoons and 10 a.m. Saturday morning. That's Melbourne, Australia time every week. And we've had people pop on our lives and say, wow, we're 100 away, we're 50 away, we're 30 away, we're 20. And all of a sudden we woke up one morning and bang, there we were on 20,000 subscribers. What can I say, guys? I just want to thank everyone who has actually subscribed to our channel, watched our videos, liked our videos and shared our videos. And I want to thank everyone for doing all of that you do for me. The other thing I want to thank you for is when you guys pop on our lives and do super chats and all those things that you do, that all goes to what you see back here. It all does. And a very special thank you to those of you, and you know who you are, who have headed over to our website at www.wowcrochetdesigns.com and has made donations on the website there and has also purchased some of our patterns and gear that you see on the website. Now that helps support our channel and keeps us going. Keep doing it, guys. Keep doing what you're doing. We are still a very young channel, guys. We have been here between 5 and 6 years. We did start the channel a little bit earlier, but yours truly was a little bit shy. No. To be honest with you, I wasn't completely ready to start. I was a little bit nervous to start the channel. Once I started, which was a good 6 months later, that's when things started to roll. And I want to thank everyone who has been a part of our channel. We've had some subscribers that still speak to me today that joined when I only had about a couple of hundred subscribers. And like, I take my hat off to them because they never left, which is fantastic. But also to those of you who've joined recently, welcome. And if you haven't joined yet, join right now, this very second, because by the end of this video, you will have an opportunity, you as a subscriber will have an opportunity to win not one, not two, but 3 prizes. So I'm giving away 3 prizes in this surprise video today. Well, no, not really. I am doing it today, but you've got a whole week to answer the question, which I will talk about in a moment. Let's just start by saying I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, and I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to move on before I get all, choked up and the rest of it, but I am going to let you know, guys, keep your eyes peeled because the next 12 months we are introducing, and as you know, we've already started, we are introducing a lot of clothing. Check that out. That is our patchwork sweater, jumper, pullover that we are currently in the middle of here on the channel. We are actually flat bang in the middle of it because now we need to make the sleeves and add the ribbing. Sew everything together and add the ribbing. You can crochet it together. We will talk about that when it comes up. But we will be doing some more clothing here on the channel. Keep your eyes peeled for that. As well as this, we'll also be doing, and here we go, we'll also be doing our gorgeous blankets. These ones here that you see right here now, these are some of the blankets that we've created on the channel over the past 5 to 6 years, and I have to say some of them I've forgotten all about. I've forgotten that we created these blankets. I seriously have. And I'm sitting here thinking, wait a minute, did I make that one and this one and that one? But here's one that is my favorite that we've created on the channel here. It's called the Pretty as a Peacock blanket. Now, I'm currently in the process of writing out the tutorial. Let's try that again. Writing out the pattern for this blanket. And the lovely Karen, one of our subscribers, is actually editing it as we speak. And the poor little dear has been waiting a long time for me to send part 2. Karen, it's coming, I promise. So is Christmas, she's saying. But it is coming, and that's one of my favorite blankets to create on the channel. But we're not going to get into that now. Let's get into what we are here for. What I'm going to do now before I do anything else is head over to the workstation, pop the camera down, and you can check out all of the prizes that you have a chance of winning today here at Wow Crochet Designs. Good luck all. So this is first prize. Guys, check it out. I'm going to go through it all one by one. There's so many items here. Now, if you're wondering what this particular bag is right here, it is, I'm trying to get it ready for you. It's this thing right here. Ta-da! It is a little arm bag that you put on your arm, and you can pop your crochet in there, and I think there's a little hole somewhere. Trying to find it. Sorry about the lighting there. There it is. The little hole where you can put your yarn through, and you can crochet while you're at the shop. So that's this bag. We get one of those. You get a measuring tape. Now, this measuring tape was gifted to me by the lovely Jodie M. So this, she's gifted me quite a few packs. So I've decided to, I should say quite a few of these. So I've decided to give them in my giveaways. You get a zip, which I purchased. You get this gorgeous crochet hook. We were just talking about that on the live the other day. Wasn't supposed to be part of it. Oh, there's a price. Wasn't supposed to be a part of it. It's 20mm crochet hook. It is massive. And you get a crochet magazine. Not sure what year, number, date, don't know. It was in my stash. Do you like that? I don't know. 2 skeins of Abbey Road. They should be the same dye lot. I'm not sure. I haven't checked. 2 skeins of Clequeton. It's a little speckled kind of look, but it's very soft still. And 10 ply of my favourite Bendigo. This is a gorgeous grey. It's called, what is it called? Moonflower. I was going to say Wonderflower. I don't know where I got the W from. Moonflower. So there you go. And guess what? This is very unlike me giving away 8 ply luxury in my favourite Bendigo Woolen Mills yarn. I never give it away. But this particular yarn was part of our, what was it? The temperature blanket last year. It was the border row. Well, actually, there's the temperature blanket for you. Just a quick view. That's the colour we used for the blanket, and there we go. And now we have 10 ply slate, which is a fantastically gorgeous colour. And I've used that many times on the channel. And we've got our Spot Saver USA style yarn. There's 2 skeins there. That's from our Spotlight stores here in Melbourne, Australia, one of our larger chains. And the Dirty DK Weight, you've seen me flash that yarn around quite a bit, from Maker, the lovely Katie from Maker. I purchased some yarn from her, and this is one of the skeins. And you would have seen items that I've created with that recently. And guess what, guys? Yes, first prize gets a full pack, a full kit of this. Oh, I don't know where that, look, I'll put it up on the screen there. There we go. That's the scarf that this pack makes. And in this pack you have, oh, there's the pack. You have the hook, the scissors, the sewing needle, the pattern. You have it all in that pack. Very excited. And this one here is the grey, the very dark grey. So there you go. And this guy here is my coaster pack. And you get between 8 and 10 coasters, maybe 6 and 8, depending on how tight you crochet. And it's got the pattern, the sewing needle, the scissors, the yarn, the whole kit. Now this is a little kit that I sell as a separate set. You would see this also, you would see these on my website, by the way. And this one here, it's got the scissors, the sewing needle, and the crochet hook as a kit. And that's it. No, it's not it, guys. With all of this, everyone here today gets a pack of our beautiful Tim Tam biscuits. Oh, they're simply divine, divine, divine. Check that out. This is for prize number 1. Alrighty guys, here is prize number 2. You also get a pack of that scarf, and there's the picture on that pack. The other pack must have moved a little bit, but there's the picture. That's the scarf you can make. You get to double wrap it like you saw in the photo before, and you get your colour, and your colour is the maroon looking colour. And you also get the V-stitch, I'm trying to look at it, the V-stitch cowl in a brown, or kind of like a light browny colour, if you will, with the hook, the scissors, the pattern, the sewing needle, the whole kit. You get a bag as well. It's exactly the same bag, just a different picture. So you get a bag as well, and you get a pack as well. The same pack, different type, with different hooks and different scissors and sewing needles and whatever. You also get a measuring tape, same thing, different colour. You get 2 skeins of Clequeton yarn, 2 different colours obviously. You also get, oh no, I'm giving away my pumpkin spice. That's not good. It's 10 ply or Aran weight, and you also get yourself a magazine as well. And to top it off, you get one of these. So there you go. That is prize number 2, and good luck. And here we go again. This is for prize number 3. You get the same scarf. You can't see it there, but it's the same one. And you get yours in a different colour as well. And you get your V-stitch cowl. It's a small cowl. There's the picture right there. And you get yours in a different colour. Yours is in the blue. And oh my gosh, I'm giving away 8-ply cotton. What am I thinking of? One of my favourite size cottons to use. So that's the Bendigo Woolen Mills cotton, and you get some Clequeton yarn as well. You also get a bag, once again in a different colour, and you get your kit. You get your measuring tape. You also get one of the, oh, here we go. You also get one of these as well. How exciting is this? Ta-da! You guys know, or my regulars would know, whenever the lucky hat goes on, we are flat bang in the middle of our surprise. Now, if you are joining us new, you've got to see this lucky hat. Whenever you see it, then you know that we're doing a surprise, and we are doing that right here, right now. The question is going to be answered, but before we ask, the question is going to be asked, not answered. I'm not editing this, but before we ask the question, we have to do a couple of little rules. Firstly, you must be a subscriber to enter our surprise here at Wow Crochet. That's a given. It really is. Secondly, you really need to answer the question properly. It's an easy question, trust me. Very, very simple. Thirdly, you need to answer by the due date, and fourthly, you can only answer once. Those are the rules, easy rules, simple, simple, simple. And the question is, before we ask the question, it has something to do with this. So see this particular yarn right here? It's called Bendigo Woolen Mills. That is a company here in Bendigo, which is the outskirts of Melbourne. It's in Victoria. And this is the yarn, my very favourite yarn that I like to use on the channel. It's not my favourite yarn to use of all time, but it is the yarn, the favourite yarn I like to use on the channel. Sometimes 8-ply, DK weight, Aran weight, 4 weight, chunky, whatever. But this is the brand I like to use. So the question to you is, what is the brand of yarn that you like to use the most? Not so much acrylic or cotton or wool. It doesn't have to be that. It has to be more the label of the company name. Like Bendigo Woolen Mills is their label, all right? So what is the brand of yarn that you like to use more than anything? You still use other yarns, that's okay, like I do, but what is the one that you like to use the most of? Put it that way. The one that your go-to brand, okay? I'll pop the question up at the end of this video as well, so you won't forget the answer. Well, won't forget the question. You'll know your answer. Now you have, and get this, until the 5th of May, Friday, the 5th of May. That's a week to date to answer the question. Give yourself plenty of time. I'll actually keep reminding you. I'll be popping it up on our community posts and on Facebook, and reminding you on Instagram to head over to YouTube to enter the surprise, to remind you to enter by Friday the 5th of May at 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time. Get the time right, guys. Marry it up with your country. Get it right, because you can't go over after 10 o'clock. I don't accept the answers. Yep. All right. So it's very simple. What is the brand of yarn that you like to use the most of? Get your answer in by Friday the 5th of May at 10 a.m. and you could be in the draw to winning those beautiful prizes. Thank you very much for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and of course subscribe to all the fun things that you guys do for me. Don't forget to join us at 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoons, 10 a.m. Saturday mornings, Melbourne, Australia time. My name is Mary. This is Wow Crochet Designs. Happy 20,000 subscribers to both you and to me. Good luck, everyone, and ciao for now. Try to be good. Oh, it's 20,000 subscribers. Ooh, well earned rest. Ooh.